Hello everybody. Just wanted to show you one of my new little projects, and I just finished it. This is just a simple one because basically the first one I make I just am testing. So I got some little snails on there and some ants, and it opens up into a box. It's a box card. So you kind of see it. Basically all it is a few pleats, and you can kind of see from the back side. Just one piece of paper with a few score marks, a couple folds, voila. Then I put a little latch in there for it to catch. So there it is, the box card. And the box inside's, oh boy, that's probably about an inch and a half deep. So anyway, I hope you liked it.